Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Now, the project we're going to talk about in this video is called CryptoUnity. Now, you might have heard about this project because there's a lot of people making videos on this, and there's a reason why that is. So, we're going to talk about this project in detail to get to know about what it is about, what their targeted audience is, how we can use this to, for our benefit. We're going to talk about what makes it secure, what potential does it have, what opportunity do we have in this one, and so forth. So make sure that you watch till the end. And as always, do know that anything that I'm going to say is not going to be an investment or financial advice. So always do your investigation research. And with this out of the way, we're going to get straight into the topic. And the first question that we're going to cover is, why is this project created? Of course, there's always a reason why a project is created. It is supposed to solve a problem that already exists, and it offers, solution to that problem. So the problem that we have, which I think we're aware of, that there's over the years there's been an increasing trend of people coming into crypto or starting to utilize the blockchain technology, and there's an influx of people who have created their wallet to use in the blockchain. But still, there's a huge audience out there that wants to utilize crypto, that wants to get in on this after hearing so many stories on how people are making profit with this, developing so many new technologies in this. So they want to get into it, but the thing is, there is a knowledge barrier. There's a gap, because crypto and blockchain, it is relatively complex topics. So, and especially for those who are not much into IT, who are not much aware of the computer and the internet, it's a trouble for them to get their heads around the topic of blockchain and crypto. So because of this barrier, there's an influx of people. There's we're talking millions of people here that are unable to come into crypto and utilize this technology because they don't have the knowledge, they don't know how to use it. For them, this topic is too complex. So to bridge this gap, CryptoUnity has jumped in with a solution, and they're going to assist people in this. So what we have in CryptoUnity is, as it says, it is created with beginners and for beginners. So everything here is pretty simple. Their user interface, their user experience, it is pretty straightforward, that even for those people who are new to crypto, who does not know much about what crypto is, what blockchain is, they can jump into it and they can start learning about it as they start utilizing these tools. So it is, as it says, it is an all-in-one platform that is designed to be the new user's first choice. So this project should be the first ever project that people use, they get into it. So if you get into a complex project that you don't have much knowledge about, it's quite evident that you are going to lose, because you're competing with so many other people that have that are expert in this. So of course they have the the lead because they're more knowledgeable than you. So knowledge, as we all say, knowledge is power. It plays an important part in crypto as well. So you need to have this knowledge to be able to survive in this. So this is going to be the first place, a safe place for people to come in, learn about it, and then move forward. So what they're offering is, they're offering multiple things to assist this whole process. The first thing is, we have a crypto exchange, which we know is really important because people need to buy crypto, to exchange crypto, to transfer crypto. So the most important thing that we need is a crypto exchange, which we have here. So CryptoUnity is developing this crypto exchange, which supposedly is going to have a very simple user experience and a very simple user interface that beginners will be able to use. Then they're going to offer education. Now, this education is going to be different ways. It'll be seminars, live seminars, or offline seminars, webinars, sessions, lectures, and articles and so forth. And not only that, they're taking this to another level, which is their traveling exchange. So instead of having static offices around the globe in different areas where people can come in and they can ask questions, they can the staff can assist them in creating wallet and further assisting them throughout the process, they will be having traveling exchanges, kind of like mobile exchanges, that can move around, and the staff members will be able to, and the staff members will be able to help out people in answering their questions, in assisting them on creating wallet and how to get started. So this is the most unique concept that we have heard, and this is being brought to us through CryptoUnity. Now, another thing that we have in this is the option to create wallet, whether you want to create a hot wallet or a cold wallet. The cold wallet is going to keep your assets secure. So if you're a beginner, this is a better preference. So the cold wallet is basically a wallet that is not connected to the internet. It is kept offline, so it is on your device. So since it's not connected, no one can hop into it and steal your assets. A hot wallet is connected to internet, so you can actively engage in transactions, but it does pose a risk of hackers getting into it. Now, to ensure that this platform is safe, the whole project is safe, they have been audited and they have been KYC'd by Certic, which is a really renowned audit firm, and they also have got their audit from Quill Audits, and furthermore, their team is doxed. So if you open up the paper, which I should prefer that you do, because there's a lot of beneficial information that we have in this one. So even if I might not be able to cover everything, you have everything right here in the white paper. So I'm going to scroll up. This is their whole team. You can see it is doxed. So that ensures that this whole platform is completely safe. Now, there's going to be a pre-sale. We're going to talk about the pre-sale. And before we talk about the pre-sale, we're going to talk about the opportunity we have, especially for the investor point of view. You can watch this presentation video for further explanation, for further clarification of what CryptoUnity is. Now, and there's other information. So through their crypto exchange, it'll make it easier to buy and sell crypto. And there will be an educational section, which we talked about, and we're going to talk about further. There's an option for customizable portfolio. Portfolio is basically the different assets that you're holding onto, different cryptocurrencies you're holding onto, and also it includes NFTs as well. So you can keep a track on all your assets that you have, how much increase there is or how much decrease there is in their overall value. So you will have that option here. And the amazing thing is that you have an option for automated trading. So even if you're asleep, it'll still be doing stuff. And there's different kind of like signals or instructions that you can provide. So you can sleep at night knowing that you're not going to go for loss. Even if the whole market crashes or goes down, you'll safely evacuate from a position where it doesn't harm you. And they also have help and support, which is available 24/7. So you can either chat with them, have a call with them, have a video call with them. So these options are available for you if you want any kind of assistance. Now, to make it secure, as I already mentioned about the cold wallet, there's going to be different protections, different steps to further secure the wallet, which will include fingerprint, face recognition or password, a one-time password kind of like OTP, and NFC CryptoUnity card. Now, other than these things, the cryptocurrency exchange, the cold wallet, the educational sector, the traveling exchange, these things that we talked about, there's going to be much more than these things that we're going to have in this. That is, first of all, NFT marketplace, so that we can create, we can mint, we can buy, we can sell NFTs. So this is for all the NFT enthusiasts out there. Then there's going to be a CryptoUnity research, in which we're going to have new projects that are launching. There will be ICOs and IEOs or IDOs, whatever there is, any sort of initial coin offering that will be presented to us, so that we will have the opportunity to invest into it. And before we move further, they have the native token called CUT token. Now it comes into place in all these places that we mentioned, whether we're talking about educational center or CryptoUnity research, or we're talking about an NFT marketplace, or we're talking about cryptocurrency exchange. It gets used and it gets utilized in all these places. And that presents us with an awesome opportunity, because we know that when it gets utilized in so many places, it will have more demand. And when it has more demand, it will have more value. Its value is going to increase. Now, from the white paper, we can take a look at where it gets used. So it gets used in exchange. We already know that whenever we do anything on exchange, whether we buy, any kind of transaction, there is a fees. But if you do that, if you're a holder, of the CUT token, the fees will be reduced. You will have to pay lower fees. And the stuff that I mentioned about the opportunity to get into ICOs and IDOs, it will be presented to the CUT token holders. And the more tokens that you're holding onto, the more advantages that you get. And in the NFT marketplace, you're going to use the cut token to basically create, to buy, and to sell NFTs. So it'll only be done in the cut token. And about the educational center or the CryptoUnity workshop, you will use the cut token to get access to the lectures, to the seminars, to the sessions, and so forth. So these are the places where it gets used. Now moving forth, we also can take a look at the rewards section on, how do we have reward information. You can see there's a 2% on the buying fees and on the selling fees whenever cut token is used. That 2% is used to reward holders. And there's other portion that goes to liquidity pool to further solidify the price, and a portion of it is used for research and for marketing as well to further increase the development of the whole platform. Now these are the community rewards that we have. So we have the holding rewards, kind of like a reflection mechanism. So if you hold on the tokens, you get more tokens. Then there's airdrops and giveaway, bounty airdrops, exclusive airdrops. Now I think we have discussed enough that this is a project, this is a platform that people need, and there's going to be an influx of people that are coming into it, because this is going to assist those millions of people that wants to get into it but doesn't have the knowledge to get into it. So this will assist those people to enter into crypto. So it is evident that this is going to be widely used, and the cut token we already have seen, it gets used in all these places. There's no way around it. So that poses a really good opportunity and potential in this token, because the more that it gets used, the more there is demand increases. The more the people get into it, they buy the token, and its price eventually increases. And furthermore, they will be going for certain exchange listings, getting listed on PancakeSwap, then on the CoinGecko, then probably CoinMarketCap, and so forth. So they will be going for all these kind of listings, which is going to further increase the exposure of the token. And when it's and it's exposed to a larger audience, there will be more people that will be buying into it, and its price is going to skyrocket eventually, which presents us with an amazing opportunity, because we are early into it. We are here before any of that happens. And when all these platforms, all these things that we talked about, when they start getting developed, when it starts getting used, it will further increase from there. So the best option that we have is to get into it early, which is an opportunity that a lot of people that will be joining later won't have. And as we said, there's a pre-sale. So pre-sale is an amazing option because you get the tokens at a discounted price. So we have a pre-sale, and there's going to be different phases. It is going to start on February 18. So by the time you will be watching this video, there will probably be, I think, 3 days left to it. The first one is whitelist only. So you're going to apply for the whitelist right here. You can see there's a lot of time left, and there's only 2,000 slots available. But even if you can get into it, if you're late, if the slots are filled, you can wait for the phase 2, and then the phase 3, and then phase 4. But it is preferred that you get into it as early as possible. As you can see, the price increases as you move to next phases. So it's if you want the discount, if you want to hold on to more tokens with a lower price, this is the best option that we have right now. So you can take a look at the roadmap to see what's coming next, but we already have discussed all the things that are coming next. But yeah, I think this is all of you guys in this video. I hope you really enjoyed this. Make sure that you check out all the links that will be in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.